Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to another video, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how you can create a Mab Lib. So yeah, let's begin. So first thing first, let me take about the infrastructure of the Mab Lib. This is a very simple thing, and this is very good for beginners who are learning Python. But yeah, let's begin. So firstly, we had a comment, and of course you don't know what comments are. Comments are basically code that Python will not execute no matter what. So let's talk about this code. It will be, first of all, the program will ask, who do you like the most? What's your most liked friend? For example, what's your most liked friend? And we'll ask what's your most hated friend, and then I'll just replace the both. So the most hated friend will be your most liked friend. So it'll be I like, and then most hated friend, and then it can be I hate, and then most liked friend. Now this is just very small, because normally you would have like thousands of lines. Okay, you'd have thousands of lines. I would say like thousands and thousands of lines, right? You would have a lot of lines of code for this, but for today this is just an example to do it too quickly. But today I'm going to teach you how to do it very easily. So first things first, there's no modules you need to import or anything like that, but the first thing that you need to do is to ask the question. So here we're going to be using the input command. We're going to be using the input command. So first of all, we'll input something up. So we'll input, and I will actually do that, and we'll input, and we'll ask this, what is your most liked, what is the friend you like the most, and we can save that in the variable. So we'll just see here, and we'll say liked underscore friend. Okay, and then we can do hated underscore friend, and we can do another input here and say, what is the person you hate the most, and okay, most. Okay, and then you can print the statement. So we can do print, and we can do let's actually do something, and let's actually also create another variable, and name this variable name equals to input, what is your name, and then we can just go here, and now we can print the statement. So print here, and we can print stuff out. So I'll print, okay, wait, input, I forgot here, we go input, so input. Okay, so we can print out, first we can do name plus, so name, then likes, and then we could do space plus, and then hated friend, so hated friend, fried, hated fried, and plus, and hates, and then could go over here again and write pain hates. Okay, wait, liked friend. Okay, so let me just check this again. Name plus likes. Okay, I forgot this over here. So it likes hated friend. So name, likes, space hated friend, and then hates liked friend. Okay, and let's run this up. My YouTube folder. This should work. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's the issue. Okay, let me put this over here. Okay, that was the problem. Now let's open this again. Programming code, YouTube. Yes, okay, so that works. Before it didn't work. So what is your name? My name is, for example, and this is just my name's not Tom, but it's just like in there. What's your name? What the most have? Tom, Timmy, and what is the person you hate the most? Let's just say Bob. So I think it'll run very. Okay, so so you need to import one module here, and I think this is the time module. So to do that, just import time. You don't have to install anything. Just import the time module, and yeah, let's put this in, and let's do this again. So Tom, Tim, Bob. Tom likes Bob and hates Tim. Yes, okay, so it works perfectly fine. Now the idea is that over here, this is too complicated. I think, this is just too much complicated over here. So to fix this, we can use fixed variables. So to do that, just type f and these things, and here you can type the same thing, and we can do first, and this is just much more easier. We can type out name and likes liked friend and hates. Oh no. Okay, wait, I hated friend, fried, and likes and hates. Oh my god, and hates liked friend. Okay, so now when we run this, that should run properly. So it will do the same thing. Let's see. So Tom, Tim, Bob, and there we go. Same thing. So yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more content. Bye bye.